Kale. Yep, brush your teeth, put on clean clothes, be healthy. Marcus. What? No naming names. He is skinny. So stop, focus. Do you want to practice jujitsu with somebody who smells bad? No. Do you want to find out that you're the one that nobody wants to practice with because you smell bad? No, you don't. So what are some other good reasons to practice hygiene?
Shower, brush teeth.
Good reasons to practice hygiene. What do we talk about? Logan.
Smelly breath and people want to work with you.
Exactly. So you brush your teeth so your breath doesn't stink. Check. Sure, deodorants and antiperspirants can help. One of the main reasons we talk about hygiene, not only because it's respectful to smell good for your partners, but also because you can pass on germs, diseases. You can make other people sick. Remember how we talked about when you cough or sneeze in jiu-jitsu? Use two hands, come together, no spaces, right? So I'm not doing this and spewing germs everywhere through my fingers, right? Cupping them here. At school, a lot of times they teach you to cough into your elbow, into your sleeve, so that your clothing catches the spit, the germs. Here we say do it into your hands and then go use hand sanitizer. Everyone knows where the hand sanitizer is, right? Right on the bench, right there. You want to grab it and hold it up? Because you're just awesome that way?
No, I'm awesome.
You are awesome that way.
No.
Ta-da! Alright, so if you cough or sneeze into your sleeve, then the next time you go put your arm around somebody's face, you're rubbing all those bacteria, viruses, whatever, right in their face. You can make somebody else sick. Yes, sir. And then it gets on the pump. Well, what I always do, I put some on my hands and I rub some on the top of the pump where I pushed on it. So I sanitize the top of the pump. So that was a good question. He said, what about you just coughed on your hands and then you push down on the top of the hand sanitizer pump? And the next person who comes by touches that, but hopefully they're getting hand sanitizer too. So if they pick up any of your germs, they should be sanitizing right away. But I always, just to be safe, I get some hand sanitizer on my hands and I put some on top of the pump. Because I'm just like that. Okay, so, cover. What if you have a runny nose or you think something might be dangling? Should you be like picking at your nose in class and then going up and saying, hey, want to be my partner? No! You need to get a tissue, get a Kleenex. Say, excuse me, can I run to the bathroom? Yes, go for it, do it. And use hand sanitizer afterwards. What if you do need a bathroom break? Perfect, yep. You ask us first so we know where you're going so we can kind of keep track and like, whoa, where did Robert go? I lost him. I did lose him. There he is. Anyways, so you ask us, tell us, hey, I need to have a restroom break. We say yes. Afterwards, what do? Wash your hands, exactly. You just turn on the water, run your hands under them, shake them off and come running back. No, you need to use soap, right? And one of the things they're teaching now is say the alphabet while you scrub. Because it's the amount of time the soap spends on your hands that makes a difference. So if you just get a little soap on there, do this, rinse them off and go, you're still not clean. Okay? So at least 20 seconds you want the soap on your hands. What if there's no soap or you feel like you don't have time? Hand sanitizer, right? So after you sneeze, after you cough, after you pick your nose, after you play with your toes, after you put your fingers in your mouth or accidentally put them in somebody else's mouth, use hand sanitizer. Why do we wear gis? To keep the germs off of you and your partner. Exactly, your partners. So, when you're walking around all day in your regular street clothes, you're picking up germs everywhere, right? You know, people are coughing and sneezing near me, it's getting on my shirt. If I'm sneezing, I might do this, especially if my hands are full. I've done that before, sometimes I'll do this, sneeze inside my shirt, right? Has anybody else done that? Maybe not. Nice, see, I'm not the only one, that's nice to know. You're eating, you're getting your fingers in your mouth sometimes while you're eating, right? You're wiping them on your clothes. Don't even tell me you don't do that, I'm a mother, I know you do. Okay, so you're getting germs all over. And then if I do that, Jaden, so I've been around all day long picking up my germs and other people's germs, and then I say, hey, I want to practice side control on you. I'm rubbing these germs all over his face, right? What if I'm saying, I want to practice a rear naked choke. Wait, where's your face supposed to be? wash our gi. So after every class, you should be washing your gi, you should be taking a shower. There's some pretty benign infections out there that are easy to spread, like athlete's foot, ringworm. Those aren't too terrible, they're not deadly. But there's some pretty bad ones that you can pick up too. Like MRSA, which is one that it's a bacterial infection that makes nasty sores on your skin, and it can be hard to cure. It can be hard to get rid of. So, and there's also things like colds and flu and whooping cough and strep throat that you can pass on to your friends. And you don't want to get those, and you don't want to give those. Okay, so you guys have homework? Yes, sir.
Do you like hold your nose
I'd still go use hand sanitizer afterwards. And I've heard some people not recommend that because you can. Yeah. I know a lot of doctors don't like that because they worry about the damage it can do to your eardrums. So, we don't recommend it. Anyways, you guys have homework. There's some pictures in there of some common skin infections in your homework. I want you guys to look them over so that if you're ever concerned that you have one of those, you know about it and can get it taken care of so you don't come here with some open, contagious sore and pass it on to your friends. Okay? Got it? All right, so make sure you grab your homework, take it over. Yes?